Welcome to Mandawi City, though it's not typically a primary tourist destination, but it's known for its bustling urban environment and growing number of attractions, offering a mix of shopping, dining, and cultural experiences. Distance from Cebu City is 6.6 kilometers. Now, let's dive into Mandawi City's newest boardwalk, the Mandani Bay Boardwalk, a stunning destination for scenic views and sights of the city of Lapu-Lapu and Mactan Channel. Welcome to Mandani Bay. Mandani, an old name for Mandawi, and Bay from its obvious waterfront location. A 20-hectare mixed-use development currently under construction, located in North Reclamation Area, Mandawi City, Cebu. We're crossing the street kasi yan na yung entrance ng boardwalk. Mga restaurant yan guys, hindi pa tapos. Under construction pa lang. Stroll, jog, and run. And if you're planning to visit the Baywalk, please don't forget to read the house rules. Tara na at samahan nyo akong mag-stroll. Kita na dito yung napakagandang view ng Mactan Channel. Time check is 5:15 in the afternoon. Ang weather po natin ngayon ay medyo cloudy at palaging umuulan po dito sa Cebu. Nasa Hong Kong ba tayo? Para lang talaga tayong nasa Hong Kong. Hong Kong feels. Ayan na yung dagat. Lapu-Lapu City yung makikita natin dito guys. The vibrant city of Lapu-Lapu. At ang view ng Mactan Channel. Kung gusto nyong ma-experience ang Hong Kong, dito na kayo pumunta. This boardwalk is 500 meters long, designed for strolling, exercise, and dining. Soft opening pa lang pero marami nang namamasyal dito. Hindi nga lang natin makikita yung sunset ngayon kasi cloudy.
Pwede below, pero kayo lang sa...
Maraming mga security guards sa paligid. Ang sarap ng breeze.
Hold down.
Imagine yourself walking along this vibrant boardwalk with the shimmering cityscape of Lapu-Lapu City as your backdrop. That's the magic you experience here at Mandani Boardwalk in Mandawi City, Cebu. Kids are very welcome here. Dami na tayong nakikita na nagja-jogging. Maganda din dito sa gabi. Ang ganda ng lights dito. Ito yung mga restaurants dito, opening soon. Cafe and restaurants. At ito naman yung boardwalk sa gabi. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga lights nag-reflect sa water. Ang ganda, diba? The city lights of Lapu-Lapu City. At ang mga lights ng boardwalk. O diba, ang ganda ng mga puno. Ang ganda din ng mga lights kahit sa gabi Instagrammable. May sumasayaw, nag-TikTok. Sa ngayon, wala pang mga restaurant dito pero may mga nearby restaurants naman. Nasa malapit lang yung Bay Hotel kung saan pwede tayong mag-enjoy ng buffet. And of course, Park Mall. Maraming mga restaurants dito. Ito yung loob ng Park Mall. Na ay lechon belly dire. Takoyaki, mga pasalubong, juices, more street food options here. At cafe, cold and hot coffee, iba't ibang cakes, cupcakes and cookies. Dito natin binili ang ating iced chocolate. And across the road, marami ding mga restaurants. Merong Rico's Lechon doon sa kabila. At Seafoods Restaurant. Meron ding affordable hotel. Park Mall Terminal. At meron pa dito sa gilid ng mall. Motorcycle taxi, habal-habal. Strolling along the boardwalk. Mesmerized by the stunning views of Mactan Channel while taking a photos. Delighted the night with the sparkling lights of the cityscape of Lapu-Lapu is a memorable and unique experience. Hanggang dito na lang po ang ating video for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Hanggang sa muli, salamat po sa panonood. Much love from Ate Mira Vlog. pigs.